Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to cancel now, so first confirm you're signed in with the Apple ID that pays for Apple Music. On an iPhone or iPad, open Settings, on a Mac, open App Store and click your name. Once done, tap or click Subscriptions to list active services. You want to surface Apple Music quickly. This avoids accidental cancellation of other services. Make sure you're on the correct account before proceeding to avoid managing the wrong subscription. You'll now find Apple Music in the subscription list and open its details. This shows plan type and next billing date. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm when prompted. This stops auto-renewal. If you see Cancel Free Trial, choose it instead to avoid charges when the trial ends. Once you confirm, Apple keeps service until the current paid period ends. That's why checking the end date matters. If you're using Android or iTunes on Windows, go to Google Play or Account Settings in iTunes to cancel similarly. Finish by verifying the subscription screen shows an expiration date rather than active or renewing. This proves cancellation succeeded. You should get an email receipt confirming the change. Keep it for records. If you used family sharing, double-check the organizer's subscriptions too, since family plans work differently. If you're still billed after the expiration date, make sure you canceled the correct Apple ID, then contact Apple support with your receipt. They can investigate billing and process refunds when appropriate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.